nature soft and deep, secrets that the shadows keep. A peaceful, quiet space, endless elegance and grace. Find your sanctuary here, let the noise all disappear. Sunlight paints the polished chrome, a quiet echo here at home. Velvet shadows softly fall, answering the spirit's call. Breathing in the tranquil air, lost to every worldly care. Every line a gentle art, a peaceful sanctuary for the heart.